Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2693.150, and you can see there is a clear U pattern is forming. And the price has already moved above a level of 2688, which is a strong resistance. So chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, you have to keep it in mind that as soon as the price keep moving over this level, a probability of going towards a level of 2725 will be there, and if that sustain, we can see it will go towards $2735, and a probability of going above that level we can see towards 2757, and then a further upside. Looking at this particular chart, clearly indicating that there is an upside. If the price keep moving above a level of $2688, chances of further upside will be there. But if it started falling below a level of around 2641, then there is a chances that we can see it can go further fall. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, I have clearly explained you that this is the U pattern formed. After that, these are the similar pattern, and now when the zone breakout happens, we have seen there's a sharp rise, because this level we have seen a break after a very long time, and it's an all-time high. So it was making new high every time and a profit booking was coming. Okay, but this was the sharp rise we have seen in the price of gold. Now whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall come. Similarly, this is what we have seen in this particular case. So okay, so now if it started sustaining this level, we can see it will go towards 2761, and from there it can make a new high. Okay, looking at the particular the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that as soon as the price started hitting $102, we can see there will be a rise towards 104, and from there we can see a level of 107. You can see the price has already touched a level of around 108, and I'm still telling you there is a higher chances of going further upside if the price keep moving above this level, because this level we have seen in the month of November of 21. Otherwise, there is a probability that we can see dollar index will go further upside. So if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. This is what we can see. Okay, but if the gold price started coming towards a level of around $107.1, we can see a bounce back can come. But if that didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards 106.7, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $106.1. Okay, this is the level. Now if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching 105.4 will be there, and from there it will go towards 104.6. okay, and this is the level a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, we can see a level of 103.5, and from there further downfall we can see. So you have to remember, if it started falling below 106.7, a further downfall will be there. Okay, and when the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Now looking at again on the gold price, what we can see. Before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2715 will be there, and once the price moving above this level, a probability of touching 2731 is there. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that particular level, we will see the price will go above a level of around 2751, and from there it will go towards a level of 2755. okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see a level of 2788, which is an all-time high. So chances of moving another new high we can see. So what you can do best, you can trail your SL by $5, okay, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards $2673. okay, you have to understand a level of around 2685 will be there. okay, if the price started falling below 2685, probability of touching 267 will be there, and if the price started falling below a level of around 2673, we can see it will go further fall towards a level of $2661, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $2621. After this level, a level of around 2661, we can see a level of around 2645. okay, and if that didn't sustain, a level of around 2627 we can see. So you have to keep that in mind that after 2625, okay, a probability of further fall we can see. So remember that as soon as the price started going below a level of 2621, a probability of touching a level of 2645 we can see, and then to a level of 2636, and then to a level of 2624. If the price falling below this level, we can see a level of $2615, and then to a level of 2588, and then there we can see a further downfall will be there towards a further fall we can see towards 2563, and then a further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.